The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Unscrew the dampener cord clip with a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards. Clean out any debris in the housing. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1062 filter into the frame. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Slide the frame back into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door. Partially close the glove box so that the stops re-engage. Close the glove box. Reinstall the dampener clip.